So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use iPhone notes to scan documents. So the first thing you want to do would be to open up your iPhone notes. Once you're here, you can see your notes, your recently deleted notes as well. You can see new folders and new notes as well. So let's start off with a new note. So once you've opened your new note, you can create that camera, or rather get to the camera icon from the bottom of the screen, or if you're using some other iOS device, it could be above your keyboard, and you can select scan documents. Now through there, so if your camera icon isn't popping up, it could be saved on a different part of your app, so you can see the icon, or you can see the paperclip icon as well. So let's click on that. You can see attach file, record audio, choose photo or video, take photo or video, scan document, and scan text. Through there, you can click on scan document. From that point, you will be opened, or rather your camera will be opened. You can see cancel, auto, and stuff like that. So you can start with that. And once you scan that specific document, you can get some more information about it. You can also frame your document within the screen, so it's going to be scanned automatically if your camera is in automatic mode or auto mode. And once it asks you if you're satisfied or to keep it, you can just choose save when you are finished. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on your iPhone notes or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.